There you go.
Better be taking these notes, boy. These are potential tag team after them titles.
Man, you'll see this.
Said with all due respect, doesn't mean that I'm not going to stop right now.
Will feet know how to read?
DDT. Kalisto kick, hold on. Stardust, wait a minute. Oh. Trying to fight out of it. Kalisto caught again. Oh!
Looking for shell shock. Oh, wait. Oh, DDT, nice.
Connecting on the bridge of the nose and incoming planning. Devar with a D.
Elbow up in time here. Mustafa Ali from the second row with a DDT. Tornado DDT.
Tornado DDT by.
Nobody home now. John Cena looking to take it.
Cena with it. It's it. Sami Zayn though. Gonna run the tightrope. And there's the DDT.
And look at the agility of Sami Zayn. Tornado DDT.
So many times over the years, Sami Zayn launching himself into the DDT. Look at Sami, look at Sami, look at Sami! Sending himself out Cena with a DDT!
What does Stinger feel like?
Stinger is the...
Look at that! Christian from out of nowhere!
Wade Barrett ran right into that. What's Christian got in mind here?
Now that's classic Christian there. That was the Hall of Famer Bret Hart as Christian looks to plant miss and he does!
Again with the springboard, but
this time